Good morning, everyone. Happy Hump Day. Today I'm back with another video breakdown of my daily Python challenges. Today we are on week 6 of Data in Motion's coding questions. As a reminder, I always leave the link down in the description in case you guys want to check it out. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you see, I already created the main here and I made a list with all the test cases so we won't have to waste any time creating that at the end. And after I've created that list of test cases right here in the for loop, we are going to print out each return value from our function call. So let's get started on the solution function. So to get started, let's read the instructions, which is to create a function that returns true when num1 is equal to num2. Otherwise, it should return false. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to actually declare my function here at the top. So we say is same num. And in the parentheses, we're going to put our two parameters because we wanted to take in num1 and num2. So we can call it that. We'll call the first one num1 and the second one num2. Okay, and then inside of our function, this is a simple one. We're just simply returning a Boolean value. So we want true if num1 is equal to num2. So we'll just say return num1 equal num2. And I put num, so let me change this to num2. Okay, and there we have it. Let's go ahead and run this and see what we get here in the console. So Python 3, and I just feed in my file's name. And there we go. We have false, true, false. So as you can see, everything is working correctly. Yeah, this is how I did it. Let me know how you would approach the problem. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.